This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick, actionable tips. So let's get started with B for Brevo. And grow your business, build customer relationships across email, SMS, chat, and other channels. The interface is divided into main areas: contacts, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. So tip number 1, email marketing. So if we look at the campaigns tab, you can set up marketing campaigns by clicking on create a campaign and customize campaigns using Brevo's intuitive drag and drop builder, and include personalizations, region, name, other contact details, order history. That helps personalize your messages. Tip number 2, marketing automations. Under the automations tab, the whole concept of automations are to help you streamline your marketing processes, sending follow-up emails, managing interactions. Automations are a great way to do that. Tip number 3, lead management. Under contacts, organize your leads and different areas by priority, and prioritize high intent prospects, improve conversion rates, and include details on each contact. And that's one of the core Brevo functionalities. Tip number 4, transactional emails. It's an often overlooked area for opportunity. Transactional emails could be shipping notifications or order confirmations. They have a high open rate, and it's a great place to include promotions and related products and text messaging. So if we look at the campaigns tab, you can send SMS text messages, which allow you to create personalized and promotional and transactional messages to support their marketing campaigns. Tip number 6, reporting and analytics. Tremendous amount of data in there, and make sure you're taking advantage of it to improve operations. And tip number 7 would be autoresponders. Make sure you're taking advantage of autoresponders to automate your processes and lead automations. Get a free demo of Brevo by clicking the link below this video or going to softwareoasis.com/Brevo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge over the next 30 days. We plan to cover 6 actionable tips on over 90 solutions.